Hi, this is Konad from Nail Stamp for Fun. I hope you guys are having a great day. I want to show you guys how to create this manicure. It's really simple to do. I posted it on my Instagram. It's part of the nail art challenge I'm participating from Bundle Monster. If you want to know more information, you should head over to Bundle Monster's Facebook or Instagram page. So it was day 3, which was blood. And I was inspired by that old movie, The Birds, movies from the 60s, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And I saw that movie when I was small, and I was so scared. It was so scary to me at the time when all those birds were attacking. So that was my inspiration for this manicure, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. First, I applied Bettina Matte, which is a beautiful white, to all my nails except my ring finger. For my ring finger, I applied Sally Hansen's Cherry Red. And for the first part of stamping, we'll be using Bundle Monster 416, which has this pattern right here. And we'll be stamping with Konad Red. Okay, that's going to be our blood. We apply the polish on the plate, gently swipe, pick up, and start to stamp. And I'm going to continue to stamp. I think this is the first time I'm using not this pattern, you know, making the blood manicure. It's my first time. I've always seen it and it looks so beautiful, right? Now I'm going to expand the image a bit to the sides and apply it to my thumb. Okay. And there we have, all our nails are stamped. Now we're going to stamp our ring finger with the birds, and I'll be using Bundle Monster's 508. This is from their new collection, the Sunkissed collection, and it's the image with these birds. Ever since I saw these birds, it reminded me of that movie. And Bundle Monster's black. So we apply the polish on the plate. Gently swipe, pick up, and we apply it to the nail. And there we go. I quickly cleaned up. There wasn't that much, luckily, but now all we have to do is apply your favorite top coat. And here's the final result. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. Please take care and happy stamping. Bye.